In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a newspaper magazine blog website on WordPress that's ready for AdSense. This method is perfect if you want to create a professional looking publication style website where you can monetize your content through Google AdSense. Whether you're starting a news site, magazine, or content blog, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to get your WordPress site up and running with the right theme. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to your WordPress website. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left side panel and locate the Themes option. Click on Themes to open the theme library. This is where you'll find all the design templates available for your WordPress site. In the Themes section, you'll see various categories. Look for the blog category and click on it. This will filter the themes to show only those designed specifically for blog and magazine style websites. Now, browse through the available blog templates. These templates are specifically designed for newspaper and magazine layouts, with features like multiple columns, featured post sections, and content-heavy designs that work perfectly for AdSense placement. Take your time to preview different options by hovering over each template. When you find a blog template that matches your vision for a newspaper or magazine-style website, click on it to see more details. Once you've made your choice, click the Install or Activate button to apply that template to your WordPress site. After activation, your WordPress website will now have a professional newspaper magazine blog layout. From here, you can customize colors, fonts, and layouts, add your content, and integrate Google AdSense code into your themes widget areas or directly into your posts, and pages for monetization. And that's it! You've successfully created a newspaper magazine blog website on WordPress that's ready for AdSense. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.